Hey, I borrowed the kit from a friend who just joined Color Street during Color Street's birthday week. So I am going to be showing you what is in the kit that came in June. I already opened it, so things are a little bit out of the order, but you do get the welcome letter and some of the welcome information from the company. You get 2 regular nail files. You get between 72 and 75. I don't know, sometimes there's a little bit extra in there, but you get 70 plus samples, and I've already looked through them and they're really pretty. So they may vary what's in each kit as far as what samples are being sent, but these were the ones that she got. Some French along with some solids and some glitters. Then you have your 2 awesome nail buffers, and you have your standard 10 nail sets that come with the kit. So I will show you the ones that came in her kit today. But she got Amazonia, which is absolutely beautiful. She got Midnight in Manhattan, which is black, solid. Broadway Glimmer, look how pretty that is. We have El Dorado. I love every single one of the ones they put in here, and I think there's so many combinations you can put together. This one is an ombre, Hollywood Hills. Ibiza Nights. French Riviera. Another solid Maui Mystic. One of our nail designs for volleyball, Sweet Serve. And Meet Me in Paris, one of our French. Okay, so those are the 10 that came with the kit standard. So you do get 10 sets, 70 plus accent nails or samples, however you want to refer to them. 2 buffers and a nail file. Then you have your sweet little Color Street bag, so you can carry your stuff in. So this is her bag. So because it was birthday week, these were the extra 5 sets that were thrown in there for a $61 value. So she's got Tahiti, Getaway, Southern Belle, Windy City, Freedom Calling, which is part of our patriotic line. Another one in our patriotic line, Miss Stars and Stripes. So those were her 5. And then she's got 2 packages of nail polish remover pads, which by the way are super awesome. If you're going to be sharing those samples on the go, they're great to have. The nail prep pad, which is an alcohol pad before you put on your sample, your nail polish strip. Then she got some nail files, more nail files. Those are cute for including with your accent nails and your prep pad. Some orange sticks or cuticle stick, whatever you want to call that. Our road to success, because everyone needs a plan. So this is awesome. Our awesome compensation plan is in there as well. So it's a great tool, a great resource. Love this book. And then she has a package of catalogs, 25 catalogs. Order forms for a host event. So when you book an event for the hostess free stuff. And customer order forms. So that is what's in your kit for $129. The extra 5, remember, were only there for birthday week. So don't consider these 5. That was for birthday week. But everything else you saw in this kit is what comes in the Color Street Stylist Kit for $129 plus shipping and tax. If you sold all 10 of your sets, you could recoup the cost of yours. I added, and I think these were $124. The kit's $129, so you could sell your nail sets and maybe a buffer or 2, and you've got your set back, and you've got all the other extra stuff as freebies. So awesome deal, awesome opportunity. Love what they do for us, and I'd love to share it more with you. If you have any questions, put a comment below for me. I'm bilingual. I feel fully bilingual. I speak Spanish and English, and I'm fully bilingual. So if you want to have a conversation, reach out. My name is Nellie, and you can message me down here below. All right, enjoy your day. I hope Color Street makes you as happy as it does me. Have a sweet day.